Hello everyone, welcome to MATLAB Simulink Essentials. In this video, we will see the simulation for three-phase full-wave uncontrolled type of rectifier. For that, we will use various components present in the library browser along with the mux block. So let us start with AC voltage source. Change the peak amplitude to 325 volts and frequency to 50 Hz. Copy this block. Change here the phase as -120 degrees. For this third phase as +120 degrees. Connect these negative terminals together. Now let us take the diode present in the specialized power system library. So we have chosen here wrong diode. Make sure you choose the diode present in the specialized power system library. So we can remove this measurement port as it is not required. And we will rename this block as diode D1. Make the copies of diode and connect them in appropriate manner. Connect this upper or cathode terminal of this diode together and anode terminal of these lower diodes together. Now connect this AC voltage source to this bridge configuration. Take voltage measurement block and connect it across the phase A, B and C. Now take a mux block. Change here the number of inputs as 3. So this mux block can take multiple inputs and it will give one output. Now take series RLC branch. We will consider a resistive type of load with resistance of 50 ohms. Rotate this branch and connect it across this bridge configuration. Then take current measurement block to measure the current flowing through this load. Copy this voltage measurement block and connect it across this load side. Take scope to view the waveforms. So we will connect here 3 different terminals. So change here the number of input ports as 3. So we can give here the name to each signal. Now take a power guy block. So this block is required for the simulation of the components which are present in the Simscape library. Change the stop time to 0.08 seconds, so we will get waveforms corresponding to 4 cycles. Save the file and run the simulation. Now open the scope block. So this is the 3-phase input voltage waveform. Here is the output voltage waveform across the load, and this is the waveform for the current flowing through this load. So we will check the waveforms for the first cycle. So for that we will take the stop time as 0.02 seconds and run the simulation. So as you can observe here, we are getting 6 output pulses in this waveform for one complete cycle of the AC waveform. And this current waveform is in phase with this voltage waveform because we are using a resistive type of load. So when the voltage in this phase A will become maximum, at that time this diode D1 and D2 will conduct. When the voltage in this phase B will get maximum, at that time this diode D3 and D4 will conduct. And when voltage in this phase C will become maximum, at that time this diode D4 and D5 will conduct, and the waveform will appear something like this. So that's all from this video. Check out the description box for the quiz and do answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Start Scratch, and do check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our wide size content.